To start, I will sign up using my email, create a nickname and a strong password, read terms and conditions, and then confirm my email. Click Hodl Hodl, buy BTC, and use filter to find suitable offers. Revolut app works for me. Type the amount I would like to buy and provide Bitcoin address to receive BTC. Select payment method, click on create contract, make one more super important password that generates escrow, and wait for the seller to send Bitcoin. Only when transaction is confirmed and the contract has been moved to in progress status, it is safe to send the money based on the instructions. I transfer euros and click I've sent the payment. Counterparty confirms that they received the money, and it's done. Now I can see Bitcoin transaction in my wallet.